Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get pop-ups on Shopify. To do this, it's really easy thing to do. You have to just go and click on add apps because there's no inbuilt feature for this, right? So we have to go and click on Shopify App Store. We will be redirected to a new page here. On the top center, you will find this option of search bar. Just go and look for pop-up, right? And here you will see a lot of application. And I want to use this one because as you can see, this is free. And most of the pop-ups are almost free here. You can choose any one of them. And if you're not convinced that why you go with this one or any other application here, you can just go and read reviews. You can scroll down, you can read the reviews and everything here, right? And once you're convinced, you can also go and click on view demo store. It will show you up that how this pop-up look. So for me, this look pretty fine. This is a pop-up. I can close this, right? So here, once you're convinced, just go and click on install. So what will happen? We will install. I will show you how to do this. I'm just going to show you a brief here. So to install this, it will get installed in your Shopify store, not in anywhere. So no need to worry about the space and everything. Now here it will ask us to install, so we have to just go and click on install here, and we have to just wait patiently. Once it get installed, it will look like this. On the left side you will see this application here. Now we have to set up this up, and it's really easy. So we have to go and click on here pop-ups. Now once you go here, you will see this option to create a pop-up. If you have not created any pop-up, then you will see this option here. Now you will see this template. There's two kind of template, which one you want to use. So this is a spin wheel, so I think this is a much more interesting. I'll click on create pop-up here, and you can also go with this one, which we saw in the demo store, right? So here you can say this is what I'm talking about, but now we are going to make our own spin wheel pop-up. Now here you can customize this up. So you can see here spin wheel pop-ups. You can name this up, right? Publish a pop-up. So once we are done, we will just publish this up. Now here we will just make this. So for example, I want to change this offer, right? Which is 10% off. I will just go and click here, and I will make here right now 50%. Now chances, I can also set that how much a customer will get this up. So if you want that every customer should get, or actually 90% of those who spin this wheel, they should get this promo code or whatever this offers. I will just write here 95%, right? There's some of the chances of the previous. Okay, so it should be a match. So let's say I will just make here 90. I can't do even 90 at least. Okay, chances of the previous 5 rewards must be less there or equal to 1. So let's say I will just make this here 35. That's fine. And discount code, so we will just give them, you can just put here no discount or discount code here. Auto generated a unique and non reusable code for each subscription. So of course we'll just give them percentage off, that is 50%, right? And set expiration on discount. You can do this, and same goes for here. You can set each and everything. And once you do this, you can see here this is how it look, right? And you can also set that whether the spin wheel should only in desktops. I will make this only on desktop here. Now we can just go and change the content and everything. For example, right, just enter your email address. This is a way to collect the email address, right? And you can also ask for the name or just the email address, primary button or secondary button. You can also choose this, right? I will just not give them option to no thanks here, right? And I can also change this here. I'll just write here try your luck, right? Just write this, and here this look pretty good. Same goes. Okay, this is a description. I think this is a footer text. I can change this. So right now I don't want to add any footer text here. This look fine, and once everything is done, you can change the style and everything. For example, logo width, I can change it, right? And same goes. Once everything is done, I will go to the top and click on publish your pop-up. Now once I've done this, by the way, of course I need to save this up. Just take a second here. Now you can just publish this up, right? And you will see this option of published. Now I just want to preview this pop-up, so it will take me to a new page of my store here. Okay, it's not open. That's the reason, but this is how you can do this, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.